What if Earth was made of glass?
Oops, I didn't know that.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth was made of glass, Earth may get very afraid of breaking up. It may force all humans to leave the planet. Secondly, if Earth was made of glass, other planets may try to convert themselves into glass. Results might prove to be hilarious. Thirdly, if Earth was made of glass, stains are easily visible on glass. Earth may become extremely busy in cleaning itself. Fourthly, if Earth was made of glass, even a small asteroid could now break Earth up. Earth may try to keep them very happy. Fifthly, if Earth was made of glass, glass can break up very easily. Earth may start wearing protective gear. Lastly, if Earth was made of glass, Earth may start looking very attractive. Even aliens may start showing up.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if Earth was as gaseous as Jupiter?
No big deal. Even AumSum is made up of gas.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth was as gaseous as Jupiter, we will not have a fixed address anymore. Our homes may keep on floating here and there. Secondly, if Earth was as gaseous as Jupiter, some people may float during their sleep. After waking up, they may find themselves among wild animals. Thirdly, if Earth was as gaseous as Jupiter, anyone may easily climb a mountain now. Fourthly, if Earth was as gaseous as Jupiter, people may start wearing helmets at all times as chances of getting hit may suddenly increase. Fifthly, if Earth was as gaseous as Jupiter, we may start seeing employees running behind their office buildings. Lastly, if Earth was as gaseous as Jupiter, birds will now have a lot of company. They may not like this. What if Earth was made of plastic?
Oh no! I thought only I was made of plastic.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth was made of plastic, trees do not grow in plastic. All of them might leave for a different planet. Secondly, if Earth was made of plastic, snakes living underground may not be able to breathe anymore. They may shift inside our homes. Thirdly, if Earth was made of plastic, plastic toy shops may open up everywhere. Parents might not be able to control their kids. Fourthly, if Earth was made of plastic, aliens might get amazed. They might shift their base to planet Earth. Fifthly, plastic can be molded easily. If Earth was made of plastic, everyone may start living in a differently shaped house. Lastly, if Earth was made of plastic, people might start going to museums to have a look at sand as well as rocks.